We've known, for years, the Japanese market has been ahead of the US in technology, right? Smartphones and most people having phones rather than computers and things like that. The US has recently caught up in that area, but now more important than ever, having your phone to be able to build your business on it, it has become a phone-based business, an international phone-based business. And one of the clients we recently launched with, right, was Young Living Japan. And with them, in that market, typically they're having big conventions for these meetings, right? And with these guys, when they launched, they did this online launch, right? And so having the app is so pertinent. So, Ken, maybe you could talk to us a little bit about that and how technology has had to adapt in the last year, in this current environment, and what was so successful about that launch and how it worked.
Yeah, so like I just mentioned that the Japanese MLM is face-to-face meeting oriented, but COVID-19, it's pandemic is going on all over the world. So we have to change. We have to change lifestyle, and also we have to change the business method, business ways. So like the big MLM company like Young Living, they decided to choose to have a convention on Zoom and or a weekly meeting, and also by Zoom or other technologies. So distributors in Japan they have to change, they have to adapt to new technology. That's by laptop or smartphone, and to have a meeting with the people. So under the situation, and we distributors in Japan are getting used to use technology instead of face-to-face meetings. So the Young Living event online was a perfect time. People it's already used to have a virtual meeting online, and introducing virtual technology and the Verb app. That's perfect match. So they can start sharing information through their smartphone and not seeing each other. That was a perfect time.
Yeah, and I think that's been a key thing for us that we've seen, right? We had one client tell us that, in March of last year, they had to jump forward their company's technology 5 years in a matter of 5 weeks. And it's training the field and getting them to adapt to it. And no longer is this a nice to have, right? Having the app is a must have.
Mm-hmm.
And being able to have it, so that it has this global opportunity where it can be in any market you want, and especially in a critical market like Japan, can be very important. Now, Nick talked about his experience, right? Of there's wrong ways and right ways to do this and go about this. So